Hello everyone. This question looks incredibly simple, but many people get stuck because they don't know the hidden algebra trick. Given that a plus b equals 100 and a times b equals 100, the question says find a and b. In this question, we have two equations. A plus b equals 100 is our equation 1, and a times b equals 100 is our equation 2. The challenge here is now to determine the values of a and b. Let's get started. The first thing is, before you solve this type of equation, you have to understand what the information given is all about. We know two important facts about this question, which is the sum of the numbers and their product. Notice that we are not told which number is larger. In fact, swapping the numbers gives exactly the same equations. That means there will be two answers, but just in a different order. Now let's see how to find them. Now let's derive our equation. Equation 1 says a plus b equals 100. So b equals 100 minus a. Now let's substitute this into the product, which is ab equals 100, which gives us a times our b is what? 100 minus a equals 100. A times 100 will give us 100a minus a times a will give us a square equals 100. Now let's move everything to one side, which gives us a square minus 100a plus 100 equals 0. This is the equation that we shall be using to get our two solutions. The next thing is, let's apply the quadratic formula. Let's recall our quadratic formula, which says t equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, where our a equals 1, our b equals minus 100, and our c equals a positive 100. Now let's substitute it, which gives us t equals minus 100 plus or minus square root of minus 100 square minus 4 times our a is 1 and our c is 100 divided by 2 times 1, which gives us t equals minus times minus will give us plus. So we have a positive 100 plus or minus square root of minus 100 square, that is minus 100 times minus 100. Minus times minus will give us plus. 100 times 100 will give us 10,000 minus 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 100 will give us 400 divided by 2 times 1, 2. T equals what? 100 plus or minus Square root of 10,000 minus 400 will give us 9,600 divided by 2. Let's simplify the square root of 9,600. So square root of 9,600 equals square root of 64 multiplied by square root of 150, which will give us square root of 64 is 8. So we have 8 root 150. So our t equals 100 plus or minus 8 root 150 divided by 2. Now let's do our division. Let's divide 100 plus or minus 8 root 150 divided by 2, which will give us 50 plus or minus 4 root 150. Now let's write the two answers to this equation, because by the time we applied our quadratic formula, we got t equals 50 plus or minus 4 root 150. So our A will be 50 plus 4 root 150, and our B will be 50 minus 4 root 150. Or you can change it the other way around, that is A equals 50 minus 4 root 150 and B equals 50 plus 4 root 150. The two solutions are the same. The next thing is, let's verify our answers if A is truly this and B is truly this. Let's verify if the two solutions are true. Our equation again, A plus B equals 100 and A times B equals 100, where A equals 50 plus 4 root 150 and B equals 50 minus 4 root 150. Let's start with the first equation, which says A plus B equals 100. So our A is 50 plus 4 root 150 plus our B 50 minus 4 root 150. Let's see if the result of this addition will give us 100. Now let's cancel the radicals, that is plus 4 root 150 minus 4 root 150. So this minus this, let's cancel. Then we are left with what? 50 plus 50. So 50 plus 50 will give us 100. So on the left side we got 100, and on the right side 100 was given. That means our A equals 50 plus 4 root 150 is correct. Now let's verify the second equation. A times B equals 100, where our A equals 50 plus 4 root 150 and our B equals 50 minus 4 root 150. So our A now, 50 plus 4 root 150 times our B, 50 minus 4 root 150. Let's see if our answer will still be 100 by the time we do the product of A and B. Let's substitute now. Our A, 50 plus 4 root 150 multiplied by b 50 minus 4 root 150. 50 times 50 will give us 50 square, plus times minus 4 root 150 times 4 root 150 will give us 4 root 150 square. 50 times 50 will give us 2005. 4 times 4 will give us 16. So minus 16. Then the square will cancel the square root. So we have it as 16 times 150, which gives us 2500 minus 16 times 150 will give us 2400. So 2500 minus 2400 will give us 100, which is the result of the product that we were given. That means A equals 50 plus 4 root 150 and B equals 50 minus 4 root 150 are the two solutions to our equation. Because when we tested the sum, we got 100, and when we did their product, we also got 100. Thank you for watching. Kindly like this video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notifications for more Math Olympiad challenges.